Wife of Edo State Deputy Governor Ambassador Osaretin Idahosa don't show real Christmas love as she pay over 4 million naira to settle medical bills for nursing mothers and some elderly women for University of Benin Teaching Hospital UBTH. This kind gesture will make them feel the true joy and spirit of Christmas. As she entered UBTH, the Chief Medical Director, Professor Osaretin Idahosa, plus the Deputy Chairman of the Medical Advisory Committee on Research and Ethics, Dr. Ogbonge, and other hospital management staff welcomed her warmly. Dem come carry the Deputy Governor's wife go round the maternity ward and the Special Care Baby Unit (SCBU). She can't take time to appreciate the doctors, nurses, and all the health workers for the excellent work we dem dey do and for providing quality health care for the people of Edo State. In the spirit of Christmas, Ambassador Osaretin Idahosa come show her kind heart by settling a 1.2 million naira medical bill for Mrs. Ameze Ekpomosa, wey born twins, but the struggle sake of say her husband abandoned her. On top of that one, she could still give the woman extra money to help her start business and take care of her children. She come also settle the medical bills for Mr. and Mrs. Ikenna Tabitha, wey born triplets, plus Mr. and Mrs. Sunday Agbonifo to help reduce their burdens. For her talk, Ambassador Osaretin Idahosa talk say,
I'm seeing some young girls here. There's a girl of 16 years old having a baby. That's child abuse. Then I saw Ameze with twins and being abandoned by the same man who impregnated her. So I was so touched, like I had to do more. And I pray that the God that gave me this opportunity to do this, give me more opportunity to do this. And one of the things that I am cooking is this girl child. That little girl, 16 years old, having a baby at that age, she's supposed to be in school.
The Chief Medical Director, Professor Osaretin Idahosa, come thank the Deputy Governor's wife as he praise her, say she no wait for any invitation before she come, and that one shows say her generosity dey genuine. He constantly talk say her actions don't touch the hearts of many people, both for the hospital and for the community.
The wife of the Deputy Governor has shown that she is a compassionate woman. She's a woman that has the love of the people at heart. Unprompted, we didn't ask request for this. She came on her own to come and ask and check for the patients that are still not able to pay their bills. Especially in this festive period, people are still in the hospital. And even beyond the call of duty, you can see her trying to, on her own, asking for different women, how are you doing and all that. We are very happy.
Some of the beneficiaries talk say,
I don't know how I feel. I'm so full of joy.
This is the list of our expectations. So we are happy. We want to say to Mama, God will bless her.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know to take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.